In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an A4 page size in Microsoft OneNote. Adjusting your page to A4 is especially useful if you plan to print your notes or want a clean, standardized layout that matches common paper sizes. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page you want to adjust. Make sure your notebook is fully loaded so all layout tools are available. Once you're on the correct page, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the View tab. This tab contains several options that control how your page looks and behaves. In the View tab, look for the option labeled Paper Size. When you click on it, a panel will appear, usually on the right side of your screen. This panel allows you to control the dimensions and layout of your page. It's where you can switch between different preset sizes or define your own custom measurements. Inside the Paper Size panel, you'll see a drop-down menu with various standard formats. Click on the drop-down and select A4. As soon as you choose it, your page will automatically adjust to match the A4 dimensions. This ensures that your content fits properly when printed or exported to PDF. You'll also notice an option for page orientation. You can choose between portrait and landscape depending on how your notes are structured. Portrait is ideal for standard documents and written notes, while landscape works better for tables, diagrams, or visual layouts. After setting the page size, take a moment to review your content. You may need to reposition text, images, or tables so everything fits neatly within the new boundaries. Adjusting spacing and layout will help maintain a clean and professional appearance. Setting your page to A4 is particularly helpful when preparing documents for sharing, printing, or archiving. It ensures consistency and makes your notes easier to read across different formats. And that's it. You've successfully set your OneNote page to A4 size, giving your notes a more structured and print-friendly layout. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.